Hey guys, what's up? On my previous video, I was able to show you the unboxing of this DJI Osmo Pocket. Actually, this little tiny thing is really very easy to use, and it's really easy also to carry, and you can even put it on your pocket. But I was thinking if I want to film under the water, and is it possible? The good news is DJI was able to release the Osmo Pocket waterproof case. So guys, let's start the unboxing. So guys, inside this box we have this Osmo Pocket waterproof case manual. So you just read it inside. Then we have this anti-fog strips. And of course, the waterproof case itself. This case has a physical dimension of 169.30 by 72.60 by 80.60 millimeter, and it has a weight of 110 grams. We have here the two mounting bracket where we can put our holders. We have this clear screen for our monitoring, the two buttons, the power button and the recording button. We have here the cover and the securing ring. And then as you can see inside, we have here the clamp or the clip to secure our DJI Osmo Pocket. Next is how we are going to use this. First, you need to check if your firmware is updated, so you will have this underwater mode. If you're going to turn it on, then you will see from the last setting the icon of the underwater. If the icon is empty, meaning to say the device is off and the camera is pointing horizontal. But if you're going to turn it on, you will notice that the camera will be pointing up, the same angle of the waterproof case. So now we are ready to put the camera inside. So that's it guys. Thank you for watching and God bless.